na, gutom na ang titi. 2, 1, go! Birthday! Ibon, ayan yung pinaglalaban niya kanina din. Ayan, so parinig naman kami ng ibon niyo po. Ayan, so let's proceed in 3, 2, 1, sing! Happy birthday ba yun, Mom? Choppy. Yun yung kalapate na happy birthday version po ni Sir Mitch. Ayan, so in a count of 1, 2, 3, sing!
Borokoto, boko, borokoto. Borokoto, 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 boko.
Naiyak din siya. Okay, so proceed in 3, 2, 1, sing! Alright, ayun palang pakalaman po natin. Okay, parinig naman kami ng kambing in 3, 2, 1, sing! Message to your tita.
Happy birthday, Tita. They say age is just a number, but in your case, it's a really high one. Embrace it with grace and humor after all. You're not old, you're just well seasoned. Wishing a fabulous 52nd birthday to an extraordinary Tita. Your love and your big chocolate make the world brighter and more beautiful. May this year bring you endless happiness, good health, and all the joy you deserve. Celebrate big and enjoy every moment of your special day. Love you! Happy birthday, Tita Marlene!
Kanyang tita Marilyn.
Happy birthday, Tita! You are a blessing to us. You're funny and you're loving. You're beautiful and most of all, you are a rock star.
Okay, a very sweet message naman po. Ayan.